I love this song. Good, Middish. This is for your grandmother, Grandma Susie. Hi, Grandma Susie, Milo says. See? Look at his footwork. Good, Middish. That's excellent footwork. Good. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, that's got your attention. Hi. Good. Oh my. He's like Sugar Ray Leonard with that footwork. It's good. Going from foot to foot. That's right, he'll be a pugilist for sure. Close-up shot? Oh, you want to grab the camera? Okay. Hi! Remember you were playing with this, Middish? Oh, good. 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 Alright, Middish. That was good stuff. Oops. Doo doo doo. Ah! What a joyful bird this. Say hi to Grandma.